Welcome to DS Core Plan. In this tutorial, you will learn about the extended patient communication possibilities for Trios users with DS Core. We are happy to announce that the SureSmile simulator now supports simulations for Trio scans as well. To use this feature, you'll need the same prerequisites as for dense ply Sirona treatment scans, a full arch scan including the buccal bite. Additionally, Trio scans can now be opened in the canvas to enhance your consultations visually. This means you can display Trio scans alongside other media, such as our intraoral or extraoral X-rays, add findings and treatment suggestions to facilitate effective communication on a single screen. These updates further enable Trio's users to benefit from the extensive capabilities of DS Core. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching!